Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in Shell Key, well more like Fort DeSoto boat ramp right now. I'm gonna be doing the first water run of my new 9.8 horsepower Tohatsu outboard. Right now I'm currently getting everything set up. My friend Henry and YouTube follower right here, it's getting his stuff set up. He's got an Achilles. He's got a whopping 20 horsepower outboard somewhere in there. But yeah. So I'm gonna go and get started, get everything prepared, put everything on the boat ramp, everything packed. We're gonna be heading out to the island. Because I figured in this little water review of the thing, you know, for the first run, might as well do a camping trip on it. All right, let me get ready. Okay, everybody, so right now I'm fully prepared. I got the boat ready and packed with my stuff. It started on the second pull. I primed it, and you can barely hear it. It is so quiet. Amazing. Well, right now I'm waiting for my friend to finish over there. He's getting prepared. I'm gonna give him a hand. And then right now I'm just gonna let the engine run for a little while so I can put in the time, you know, for the braking. Because right now it's still in braking period. I will not be able to give it full throttle for a long period in time. But what I'm planning to do is once I reach the island, get everything packed, get everything settled. If the channel is not too busy, I might jump into the Gulf. If it's just too choppy, then I'll go towards the bridge, the Skyway Bridge or something like that, to put in those 2 hours of braking period, the first 2 hours. I'm still gonna give it full throttle to get myself into plane, because I believe I'll be able to plane on half throttle, which I believe I can keep it at. Anyway, I think it's gonna be a pretty cool video. Let's get to it. You know, I was just sitting here giving it some revs. You barely feel the engine. Like, it's so smooth. Like, compared to my 6 horsepower Tohatsu, my 6 horsepower Tohatsu is all shaky and stuff. This one, barely feel it. Incredible. Hear that? So quiet. I love it. Anyway, let me go ahead, my friend. I'm being too lazy. Okay, everybody, we are ready to move. This will be the first time I put it in gear. Reverse. All right. Oh man, this movie is so nice. It's so quiet. I like it. All right, so he's about to get ready over there. And we're gonna head out to the island. Turn around. Oh, wait, no, I'm about to hit the dock. Might as well do reverse. Oh yeah. It's so quiet. I love it. It's so smooth, man. What an engine. Now, I will not be able to, like I mentioned, I will not be able to give it full throttle fully, at least not for long. I'll probably do it just to get into plane, and then once I do that, then I'll just bring it down to like half throttle, you know, do the braking, because I still got about at least an hour and a half of the 2 hour braking. All right, let's get to it. All right, so we're ready, we're moving. You know what I'm gonna do? I've had it warming up for 30 minutes. I'm gonna give it full throttle real quick. I wanna see what, you know, what it does. Whoa, I'm already planing. Wow! Oh, that's my hat. That's my hat. There you go, get my hat. I lost my hat. No, it's wet now. Damn it all. Damn it all. Oh, get over here. Ah. No. All right, let me go get the hat. Got it. I got it, but it's soaking wet. I'll probably leave it out here in the sun like that and let it dry up. Oh well. See, that's the problem being bald, man. Can't grow hair no more. Hey, it is what it is. I accept it. But man, I got into plane quickly. All right, let me go catch up with my friend. Check it out. Check it out. Like, I just gave it like half throttle and I'm already planing. Wow. That is so cool. That means I'll be able to go planing for the next few hours just fine, because I'm less than half throttle. Yep. That's awesome. All right, on our way to the island. I'm doing exactly what I'm supposed to, less than half throttle, and I'm planing nicely. This is very nice. I like it. All right, we should be in the island in a couple 5 minutes maybe. Okay, everybody, so I'm in the island. My friend right there is finishing up, setting up. My setup is already ready. I'm gonna be sleeping the night right there. You guys will see. But I gotta say, the little motor did pretty good. And right now, from the looks of it, the channel doesn't look too choppy right now. And I think we'll be able to cross it without much problems. Because when the water's too choppy, small vessels like this don't do too well. But from the looks of it, it doesn't look too bad. So I'll be able to hit the Gulf. Maybe I'll go check that battery fort that's over there in Fort DeSoto. That'd be kind of cool. I gave her food throttle. I was a little hesitant. Maybe because it's still breaking in. I mean, I figured as much. I won't be able to do like a full speed deal, but I should be able to get into plane for sure. Anyway, we're gonna finish up right here, hit the water. I'm just being silly, but oh jeez, Grandpa Rick. Okay, so we're ready. We're gonna go head to the Gulf and have some fun. I gotta be honest, I am impressed how smooth this engine is. I mean, it just look. I'm already planing. I wasn't even trying. It's got a lot of torque. My hat's about to fall off again. No, no, no. I don't want my hat to fall again. All right, so I think I'm gonna head to the Gulf, like deep in the Gulf, and show you guys around. I gotta be honest. The swells are rather big. Look at that. That's a big one. Woo! Heavens. Okay. You know what? I honestly don't want to get flipped over. So I might go back. I don't know. Let's see if I can push forward. I'll try. I think it should be okay. I think I'll be all right. It's a big choppy. It's choppy. Está bien choppy. Yeah. Wow. Okay. I think if I tackle the wake slowly, I'll be all right. Okay. I think I want to go towards the battery fort. Let's see if I can make it. We decided to go back. We're gonna go towards the Skyway Bridge instead. It's too choppy. Way too choppy. It's part of the adventure though. This thing is quick. I don't know how fast I'm going, but I'm going quick. Quicker than my 6 horsepower, that's for sure. I'm not gonna do the speed test today. I'm gonna wait until I break it in completely, like the full 10 hours, give it the oil change, and then do the speed test. All right, on our way to the bridge. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's over there. Okay, we're gonna head back because the waters are getting wild and choppy. I mean, it's not fun no more. Because this motor is heavier. Here's my verdict. And the boat wants to go left and right with the wind being splashed around it, and I have to keep managing it. So because it's heavier, my hand gets tired. So I think this motor is great when the waters are semi-calm. Right now it's too choppy. Not fun for small vessels. Nonetheless, it is an excellent motor. It's very smooth. And what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna wait for the sunset because I brought my drone with me. I'm gonna add that to this video just for a good measure. So yeah. In a couple hours, I'm gonna shoot the sunset with the drone, and then I'll show you guys the campsite at night. Nothing to do with the motor, just for entertainment purposes. I'm currently having a hard time keeping my boat straight. It's windy and choppy. Yay, yay. I may have picked the wrong day for this, but at least I put in the hours, you know, for the break-in. Anyway, let me shut up. On my way to the island, let me show you guys the sunset. Something really cool and awesome. Oh yeah. Well, it's been about 2 hours. I'm giving it all it's got right now. It is quick. Woo! 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 I'm in the shower area. Cool snap. Wow. It is quick, I'll tell you that much. I mean, this thing is quick. I can't wait to do the speed test. All right, head to the island. We are back in land. We are back in land. And unfortunately, it's way too overcast. Barely, look, barely anything. Because what I wanted to do, I wanted to shoot the drone, you know, just for fun. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shoot the drone here so you guys can see the island. Show you guys a little bit of the nighttime, you know, bonfire and what's the word? And finish the video with that. All right, let me get the drone. Take a step back to see
the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be.
Okay, everybody, the sunset has arrived. Bonfire's ready. We're cooking some burgers, courtesy of my friends. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video informative and useful. And as you guys can see, it's a beautiful place to be at, and a great place for me to actually just run the motor for the first time. I already put like 2.5 hours on it, so I'll be able to go faster for my trips from now on. So guys, again, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Later.